In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram stories and post not loading problem. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi or cellular data. Likewise, enable airplane mode, wait for a few seconds and disable it. This will refresh your network and this might resolve the issue. Next, launch Instagram app, force close the app and relaunch it. This helps clear temporary glitches that may be preventing stories and posts from loading properly. Next, launch Instagram app, navigate to settings and activity page, log out of your account and log in back. This might also resolve the issue. Next up, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Lastly, check if you are connected to VPN proxy or an ad blocker. If you are connected, disable it, as these can sometimes interfere with Instagram server. Also check if Instagram is experiencing a temporary outage, since server-side issues can affect loading for many users at once. Lastly, you can delete Instagram app completely from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. These are the fixes for Instagram stories and post not loading. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.